Hey, this is Ethan with Epoxy Depot. Welcome to our new Tech Talk series where we break down our products and their uses, real-world applications with things that actually matter. Not just what the products are, but how they work and how they apply to your job sites. Today we're talking about Urafil. This product is a 100% solids, 2-component, fast-setting, high-penetration repair material for damaged concrete. It's a 1-to-1 mix ratio by volume, easy to mix and fast setting, self-leveling and self-priming. At 72 degrees Fahrenheit, it cures in about 10 minutes. Urafil can be used in a large range of environments, and it's made for industrial repairs, including commercial properties that see heavy traffic. You can use Urafil to repair cracks, control joints, spalls, damaged concrete, including vertical curbing and steps. Surface prep needs to be solid. Removal of dust, grease, oils, dirt, previous coatings, and weak or failing concrete is needed. Prep should be done using mechanical means, by grinding or shot blasting, to achieve a CSP 3 to 4. If you're repairing cracks, open them up first using a 5-inch V crack chase blade, then thoroughly vacuum so you're bonding to clean, solid concrete. Start with a clean mixing container. Using the proper 1-to-1 ratio, add part B into part A and mix for no more than 30 seconds. Remember, the pot life is short, 2 to 3 minutes, so only mix what you can get in place immediately. For application, pour mixed material into the crack or repair area and slightly overfill your repair. Once it hardens, grind it flush. If you're repairing larger spalls, holes, or bigger damaged areas, you can add sand to strengthen and extend the material. The most common reasons repairs fail is pretty simple. Not removing weak concrete, leaving contaminants like dust, oils, or old coatings on the slab, or mixing too much material at once and missing the pot life. Make sure to check your surface conditions. This product, like all others, has its limits. Don't apply below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, and always make sure your substrate temperature is at least 5 degrees above the dew point. That's a quick breakdown of Epoxy Depot's E4E Urafil. If you need a repair material that's fast, tough, and ready for service quickly, this one's a solid option. If you've got questions about your slab, repair scope, or what products to use next, reach out to Epoxy Depot Tech Support, and we'll get you taken care of.